Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2008 Nissan Navara ST-X D40. This shape ran from the 9th month 2005 to the 8th month 2015. This vehicle sustained damage to the front. This vehicle is fitted with a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by a 5-speed 4-wheel drive manual transmission. We have right-hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mag wheels. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left-hand rear door, appears to have no damage. Factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel, left rear has a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel, right rear has a good tyre. We have the right-hand rear door, right-hand front door. Right-hand front guard appears to have no damage. Factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel, right front has a good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with a factory grey cloth interior. Has a tidy centre console lid, tidy manual transmission centre console, tidy handbrake lever. Have the gear stick, factory AC controls, 6-stack CD player, factory, left-hand sun visor, interior courtesy light with sunglass holder, right-hand sun visor, manual transmission instrument cluster, I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.